1. Fold one corner to the corner diagonal from it. With the handkerchief lying on a flat surface, and one corner point toward you, fold the bottom corner up to the top corner. Your handkerchief should not form a triangle. Smooth the crease at the bottom. 2. Bring the point down to the fold. Keeping the corners that are touching aligned, fold them down to the bottom of the handkerchief where it is folded. When you fold the point down, make sure it hits at the center of the fold. 3. Fold the handkerchief in half. Pinching one end of the handkerchief with each hand, fold it in half lengthwise. Make sure that the two creases that are now touching are lined up well. Smooth the whole handkerchief down so that it is as flat as possible. 4. Put your hair into a bun or ponytail. If you have long hair, this handkerchief style will work best if it is pulled up rather than hanging down. Your hair should be pulled up at least higher than the base of your skull for the best results. 5. Tie the handkerchief around your head. Grip the ends of the handkerchief and lift it over your head so that the middle of the handkerchief rests against your head under the hair in the back. Then tie the loose ends at the front of your head, just above your forehead. 6. Double knot the ends and tuck them in. Tie a second knot to secure the handkerchief in place. Then to make the front look better, tuck the loose ends under the band so that you can no longer see them.